I believe it's what they call the 301 interior. So it does not have the fancy gauges and stuff like that. So if that's what you're looking for, you can go ahead and stop watching now. It's got 2,336 miles, and I'm about to take it to my storage unit, so it'll have about 2 more miles on it after that. It's got the basic dash. Again, it Bluetooth audio. It's you know what? It does a job, man. If you're buying this car to watch TV, you're buying the wrong car. Yeah, so I actually like the cloth interior. Has power everything. It's a 6-speed MT82. So I'll get you guys a money shot here. So this is what really matters. So we're looking at a Roush Stage 2 blower. It's got the full kit. Because you guys are wondering, it's CARB compliant. So all you guys in California have no problems, like myself. Passes no problem. I changed the oil. There's some full synthetic 5W50 at 1,000 miles. Probably gonna do an oil change here pretty soon if somebody doesn't buy it before then. But this is pretty fresh. It's at 750 horsepower, 670 foot-pounds of torque. To be honest with you, it's more than most people need, and more people can even handle. So if you think you can handle it, come and take a look. Hit me up if you got any questions.